No, no, no. Yeah, guys, that Mom Hazel, guys, please support, guys, okay? Yeah, just 3 minutes and I will end the guys. After 3 minutes, I will go and my work. It's working time for me and I will sleep during the table. While I making coffee, I will sleep. Nok Wanda, my friend, I'm here now. Guys, please support for Nok Wanda, guys, okay? My beautiful friend. No, 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 no. Yeah, this is Nok Wanda, okay? Please support on her channel, guys. And for Jokhyo, please support. These are new friends for her. And for Mom Rosalie James, guys, okay? Please support for Mom Rosalie and James. Commentary. Hazel, hi, shout out to you, Hazel. Thank you, you're welcome, my friend. Nok Wanda, yeah. Yeah, and Mom Rose, guys, okay? Rosalie have upcoming live stream. Ano, premiere? Maybe premiere this one? Premiere. Yes, I'm already here. Just I get the link for Mom Rosalie and James. Blessings, CC Hugs, Rosalie James from Bliss Journey. Hot Short, hi, hello, shout out to you, Hot Short. You guys, this is Mom Rosalie and James, guys, okay? This upcoming premiere. Good morning, CC. Bless from Mom Rosalie. Yeah, and this Nokia, yeah, I'm her. Travel with me to South Africa, Marabasted handbag haul. Green, the passport is green. Hazel, hi. You good from Hot Short. Not good smell here, I don't know. Have like for cut, not good. I hate cut because if they make something is not good as me. RD, hi RD, shout out to my friend RD. Yeah, guys, this Nokia and Mom Rosalie Gems, guys, have upcoming yeah, premiere tomorrow. RD, my friend, I'm here now in your channel, RD. Yeah, guys, I will end, guys, huh? Yeah, because the children calling me, you know, I am working her tomorrow, no, in the night again, this afternoon. I finish my work, I will live again. Thank you, my friend. You're welcome, Nokwana. Not good, I smell for cut. Hey, darling, my love. Hey, darling. How are you? Pero si Langga, gyud. Hi, Langga. Ala, building masuko. Yeah, guys, bye-bye na, guys. I will end now, guys. Thank you for staying in my live stream. God bless and love you all, guys. And I will shout out for